Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this 2019 on a 19 plate Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet, finished in white. The car's done just over 9,000 miles. Great specification with these. Alloy wheels, privacy glass. This car's been very well looked after. A few little things that we need to do to bring it into tip-top condition. The rear bumper is slightly chipped, which we will rectify. But privacy glass with the car, decent sized boot as well. Load area, 60/40 split rear seat system. All the tools are kept underneath this floor. Absence of wear and tear here in the boot, which is nice to see. The car will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, including roadside assistance. And at TW White & Sons, we take any vehicle in part exchange. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies wishing to buy your vehicle, or indeed any of the companies advertising on national television. Beautiful dark grey cloth interior. This extends over to the door cards. You've got electric windows all round, electric door mirrors. You've got one touch auto facility on the driver's window. And sitting inside the car, the first array of switches we come to are switches for your traction control, front fog lamps and headlamp levelling. Always very useful when you're driving at night, obviously. You don't want to dazzle any oncoming drivers. That's fully adjustable. Just clarify the mileage. At this point the radio probably bleats out at tremendous volume, hopefully not. There we go, 9,380 miles. But a wonderful spec with this. Left hand side here, you've got the tachometer, rev counter, underneath temperature gauge. Right hand side obviously speedo with fuel gauge, and in the center various displays pertaining to fuel computer, mileage, etc. We'll go through some of that in a second. Left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel, and I have turned on the lights so we get a better view. Stereo controls. Underneath here, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, cruise control, and beyond here you've got your wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and your lights on the left hand side with indicators. Very straightforward. Now there is a you'll see this fuel computer in the center, gives us average fuel economy. We can change elements of that display. There's a little pin here that you can do that with. Gives you various statistics, like so. Blank, probably the most useful one is the average fuel economy, 39.4, with the range underneath 111 miles. Obviously you're going to get more fuel, a better fuel economy than that. You might get lower than that. It depends on how the car's driven, but this car should produce well into the 40s. Let's get back to the blank screen, because there's another element to this I want to show you, and that is you can get into the vehicle's main menu. So you can adjust things like distance, fuel economy, how it's all red, language, fuel reset, temperature, how that's all red, clock setting, door locks, lights, oil change, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, and then default, and then back. Very simple. You can tailor make this car to your own individual taste, but a great specification vehicle. Down here, before we go to this, which is a Suzuki multimedia setup, we'll look at this. You have climate control, air conditioning. So all you do is you dial in the temperature you want, press automatic, and it will direct the air for you and adjust the fan speed accordingly. You can, of course, come off the auto setting just by adjusting the fan. So you see the display changed. Mode will, this is very straightforward, just adjust where you want the air to go. And then you've got air coming in from the outside or recirculating, which is done through this button. Coming in from the outside is probably better, keeps the car mist free. Heated rear window, demist at the front, auto setting, off, air conditioning, recirc button or taking air from the outside in. Down beneath here you've got, you won't be able to see it clear on this video, but you've got 12-volt power socket and a USB plug-in. This vehicle features a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is very, very easy to shift. Really great cars to drive, these Vitaras. Such value for money, Japanese technology at its best. Road holding, handling, braking, overall performance out of this 1.4 is second to none. So here, this is all touchscreen, but of course you can change elements of it through the mode button here. But as I say, it couldn't be easier. DAB, you've got FM, you've got AM. If you wanted to change elements of that, there's always this menu button here, which is the cog button down on the far right hand side. This will take you into various within the program that you're in, various sub menus. So here you got sound settings, bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets. It's got a little graphic equalizer which works really well. Speed dependent volume control, that adjusts the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back button, it's all very easy, back button for everything. Home screen, DAB, very directional, 6 presets per waveband. Let's go back to the home screen. Satellite navigation. There you go. The map looks like this. Very simple. Where you want to go. You can put in your address by postcode. Points of interest search. Let's just go back. So you can, you know, if you want to find banking or business, you just press this. Automatic teller machine. You know, you can go to any one of these, it'll take you there, highlight it, press execute, away you go. Back button, back button, back button. It couldn't be easier. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Again, if you go into the sub menu there, you can display incoming text messages, use phone ringtone, etc. Home screen, you can connect up your smartphone, and here you'll find you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can get stuff like Spotify up on the screen, Waze navigation if you choose to use it, all really good apps. You know, Spotify for music is terrific. There's other music apps out there. There's Waze navigation. You can see your WhatsApp, etc. all on screen. So a really, really great spec. 9,380 miles with this car is really next to nothing. And as I say, will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty. Really great condition. TW White & Sons, as I said to you earlier, will take any vehicle in part exchange. Our showrooms are open 7 days a week. This is nearly as good as buying new, this vehicle, because it's such wonderful low mileage and fitted with a great engine as well, the 1.4 BoosterJet engine. So there it is, 2019 on a 19 plate Suzuki Vitara 1.4 BoosterJet SZ-T, finished in white, done 9,300 miles. If you want to find out more about this lovely vehicle, please go onto our website, which is www.eboosterjet.co.uk. twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.